Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Now in premium economy, there's only 3 rows of seats, and they're situated in their own area between business and economy. They cost twice as much as regular economy, but is it worth it? Let's find out. As we board the plane, Sue is very happy that we weren't flying economy and she'd have a little extra space. Alright, so we're in Bulkhead, row 13 in premium economy, and you can see there's plenty of space. And these chairs apparently have a footrest that comes out. We'll try that later. And Sue's happy because there's a little amenity bag, right? Let's show you what's in the amenities bag here in premium economy. Got noise canceling headphones. Got a pillow.
Blanket.
Got a blanket.
Because it's sealed up.
Sealed blanket. And what's in that?
Let's see. Socks.
Socks.
Dental kit. Body lotion. And
More lotion.
Lip balm.
Lip balm.
A pen. That's just that. Nice.
All right.
Nice things.
Yes, Sue always wanted to take a flight where she got an amenities bag. Every time she'd see it on a YouTuber, she'd be like, I want to do that. So this was a real pleasant surprise. Noise canceling headphones. And I think you can use them to watch the movies too. We do have a screen up here, but I'll try this later. But I think a screen pops out of the side of the chair also. Now we later found out that these were just regular headphones. Still a lot better than the earplugs you get back in economy, and it made it a lot nicer listening to the movies. Now these seats are very wide and comfortable. They're the same seats that American uses in their business class for domestic flights. In the arm of the chair you'll find the controls to recline the seat and to extend the footrest. We were all sitting in Bulkhead, row 13, and as you can see we had plenty of room to stretch our legs. Alright, so after playing with all the controls, everybody's locked in. Seat belts are on and they're ready to go. From our seats on row 13, we had 2 windows with great views of the outside. The massive engines on the Boeing 777 had us airborne in no time. Once airborne, we all settled in for our 7-hour flight. So the nice thing in Bulkhead is that the footrest extends a little further out than the seats behind us. And Sue's demonstrating. You push the middle button and it pops out, and then you fold it out and your foot can relax like that. And then if you push the button, these seats do recline, and Sue's reclined, and you can see she's all ready for her flight to Europe. Comfortable, ready to go to Europe? Now you're probably wondering where the tray is because there's nothing in front of you. So you open up this, pull this lever, and your tray pops out for when you're ready to have something to eat. Slides forward, and then it should fold over. Well, it pops out like that, but probably goes a little more over too. Oh, there we go. It's a full tray, as you can see. Now, the one thing we can't figure out is where the television screen is. We think it pops out of this area here, but we're not sure, so we're going to have to ask about that. Okay, so if you're in Bulkhead, the screen's not in front of you, so we figured out how to open the screen. You push this little button and it slides around like that, And there's your personal screen. There's Sue's, and there's my personal screen. In premium economy, spirits are included. And the food in premium economy is supposedly better than economy, but not as good as in business. So dinner was served about 45 minutes after takeoff. We did pre-order online before we left. So we got a vegetarian, I got a chicken, and the two main meals were chicken and also ravioli. But there are special meals you could also order, especially for gluten intolerance that was on there. And the plates are actually real plates and real napkins and real silverware. No plastic in premium economy. I got a real fork made out of metal. So after dinner they dim the lights and it's time for a little snooze.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder.
After a few hours of quiet, it was time for breakfast. We were served a nice selection of fruit, yogurt, pastries, and coffee. Breakfast time. Okay, we're here. We made it, Dublin Airport. We landed, and I have to say premium economy is much better than economy. Liquor was included. The meal seemed a little better. The seats were super comfortable, and really had a good flight. And Sue definitely agrees. Now she'll never fly economy again, so now I'm in trouble. But anyway, we're going to pick up our bags, then head to the hotel, although it's still pretty early. It's only 5 a.m. And the next couple videos will be about what we do here, where we go, what we see, and also we do a tour of the hotel. So for now, though, I'm going to get my bags. All right. See you soon. So what'd you think of premium economy?
It was great. I'm never going in basic economy again.
You heard it here, folks. Our group was ready to start their Dublin adventure. Until next time, safe travels.